Hello, welcome to JULES video tutorial number 2. Just to expand on our simple get JULES out of the box and going, we're going to do a little bit of an experiment where we get a couple of runs done and basically compare the output. And our experiment is just going to look at the effects of spinning up our model. This is mainly to just get ourselves familiar with all the different bits in the rows suite and also familiar with modelling. Spinning up is what we call the process of running our model with the met driving data iteratively so that the initial conditions become representative of that met driving data. Okay, so this is the same suite that we were looking at before, just set up for experiment 1 and outputting the data there. We want to go and change some science settings. So actually this suite was running for one spin-up cycle. So that means that it runs from the start to the end once, and then it gets going. Actually, just to show this effect fully, let's reduce that to 0. Save that, and then let's call our experiment, let's say spin up _0. We're just going to output all the stuff that we output before. We'll save that and we'll hit play.
Oh, that's running. Okay, so that's job number 1.
We're now just going to set it up to do 1 year spin up whilst that's actually running. Close that. Whilst that was running, I just changed the spin up configuration, so it's 1 spin up cycle, and the output is now spin up 1. Play. It's a very incumbersome way of doing it. There are ways to parallelize your jobs, which maybe we'll get to towards the end, but for now, this is what we'll look at. Let's come back to spin up, and we'll go bump that up to 5 times. Spin up 5. Right, let's finish.
We'll fast forward the video. And I will do this for a 10 times version as well.
Right, so like with the other job, I have already made a nice little plotting routine for you to use, nice and simple one. This one is called JT for JULES tutorial plot output _multi. I set up a little optional R class called -run IDs, and then all we're going to do is give it the run IDs that we gave them. And fingers crossed. Oh, it's not finished running yet. So that's finished running. Let's try again. And there we go. We can see the output and the effect of spinning up our model. When we had 0 spin up, it was this blue one. You can see it started off quite wet in the soil moisture, and then after 1 year of spin up, we've kind of come to this green line. So actually, you can see where the first year came to here, and essentially you start from that point and go around. And basically, that's the second year. 1 year of spin up and then run the model. We basically repeat that process 5 times in between the green and the red. But we see that this green is ever so slightly higher than there, and then that pushes up to the red, and then another 5 times. It only takes us up a tiny little bit more, so we're sort of asymptoting to some sort of steady state of the met data and this model configuration. Anyway, that's the concept of spin up and how to set up a row suite for a set of experiments and look at the output.